Nick from the Liv Maintenance team. Here with you on a Maintenance Monday morning, trying to go over a couple helpful tips and tricks that you can do at home by yourself. First, you're going to start by getting as much water out of the disposal as possible. You can try to scoop it out with a cup or just wait for the water to reside. From the housing of the disposal, please contact the office. If your disposal is making that humming noise, the odds are that you have something caught in your disposal. You may use this wrench to break it free, but do not stick your hand down in the disposal. The first thing you'll want to do is unplug the power. Insert this wrench into this hole. After this disposal has been broke free, you can check this little red reset button to make sure that it has not been tripped during this process. After pressing the reset button, if your disposal still has no power, odds are you have tripped the breaker. You will need to head to your breaker box and check to make sure that the power has not been tripped.